Welcome to this FL Studio tutorial on how to save and manage templates. Whether you're looking to preserve your project settings or streamline your workflow, saving templates in FL Studio is easy. Let's start by saving a custom template. In the File menu in the top left corner, you'll find commands for managing your files. To save your current project as a template, simply click on Save as Template. This action adds your project to the templates list. Now, let's explore how to open a custom saved template. If you want to start a new project using a template you've saved, go to the File menu again and click on New from Template. This opens a submenu with a selection of different templates, including the one you just created and saved. It's a quick and efficient way to kickstart your projects with your preferred settings. To set a default template, navigate to the General Settings. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find the Default Template option. Open the drop-down and choose the template you want to be automatically applied when opening new projects. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to save custom templates, open them for new projects, and even set a default template in FL Studio.